Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making Nepali Gorkhe achar. So first we need finely chopped cabbage, onion, boiled potato, nimbu, chilies and tea. And also you need a finely chopped cucumber. So we are going to stir fry the तिल को भून लेंगे थोड़ा सा ब्राउनिश तक भून लेंगे so that उसका जो स्मेल और टेस्ट वो थोड़ा इन्हेंस हो जाए. So मेरा तिल अभी भून चुका है and then I'm gonna add salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, half tablespoon of salt, lemon. We are going to squeeze a lots of lemon because lemon is very important for this achar. And we also need MSG. I forget to mention we need MSG. Very small amount of MSG can be needed, and you need to mix. You can have it rice or as a salad.